Okay, so gonna be installing this headlight today, or tail light today. Here's the old one. This is basically all the equipment you need. T15, and a little pry bar. Next step, you're gonna be undoing both these bolts here. Once you got those two removed from here and here, you're gonna wanna take your pry bar. You can see there's a little tab. You're gonna wanna pop that out. There's one up here as well. Then you're gonna wanna give it some pressure back here. And once you get those out, you're gonna wanna pull straight back. So, one here, there, up top, and then just pry a little bit back here until you feel it loosen. Now you're just gonna wanna pull straight back. Okay, once we got it out, we'll take this clip, pop the tab off, once you got that off, you're going to want to connect this here to this connector, just like that. Once you've got it plugged in, you're going to want to put that red safety pin back in place. It's going to use some pressure. You'll hear 2 clicks after pushing down, and try and pull it apart. Make sure it's safely secured in there. Now after this, you're going to want to line up these 2 bolts here with these 2 holes here, and then you're going to pop it back in. Okay, once you got it clicked back in there, I just hit the button on my keys, make sure it lights up, everything's good. You're going to run and reinstall these 2 T15s. Make sure the tabs are popped back in. Right here, right there. Alright, I'm gonna do this next part just unedited. Okay. Taking out these 2 bolts. One and 2. Okay. Take your pry tool. Be gentle on this side. Okay. I'm just gonna pop that red pin out right there. Can be a bit stubborn. Might need to pop it out all the way. There. Pulled that out. Now just wiggle the connector. I want to get in behind it, pry it off a little bit. There we go. Same thing, line these two bolts up with these two holes. And this connector, see that top little tab right there? I'm gonna line that right up with the top of that. Once you got it connected, just push that red thing back in there. There we go. Hear those two clicks. Make sure those wires don't get pinched up in there. Okay, push it straight back. Make sure those two tabs go back in. Make sure it's all lined up the way you like it. And then reinstall your two T15 bolts. Tighten them down, but you want to make sure before you tighten them, lights are working. Hit the key. Looks good. And that is how you do it.